morning.
I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to Global Spoken English for imparting us art of the public speaking skill. My name is Archana Arya. I learning from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on father. Before delivering my speech, I want to speak some beautiful lines. The smile on my lips is because of my father. Happiness in my eyes is due to my father, because all the happiness in my life is due to my father. We cannot deny the importance of a father. We can no longer dispute his place in the family. But how important is a father? End of my speech. Thank you all great people for paying my heed to my words. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
सलाम। बहन भाइयों, अंग्रेजी की बढ़ती हुई जरूरतों को देखकर उसे नजरअंदाज नहीं किया जा सकता। अगर आप अच्छी नौकरी करना चाहते हैं या आप किसी इंटरव्यू में जाना चाहते हैं तो बगैर इंग्लिश के ये संभव नहीं है। तो बहन भाइयों, देर किस बात की,